The Meridian Housing Authority held its Strong Family Initiative and Fun Festival Day on Saturday. COVID vaccinations were a big part of the day, and Greater Meridian Health Clinic, a premier sponsor, administered the vaccinations. This annual event's goal is to encourage fathers to be actively involved in the lives of their children, and according to Ronald Turner, Executive Director of the Meridian Housing Authority, he says this year they took it up a notch.
But this year, we took it to another level, not just the fathers. We wanted to encourage the whole family system, mothers, fathers, daughters, uncles, aunt, because the family system is so important. We also took it to another level this year because our housing authority is one of those housing authorities that is pushing the COVID vaccination. We know that giving life means a lot, and taking the shot means a lot. So we've encouraged all of our residents and all of our employees in the city of Meridian to at least consider taking the COVID shot.
The festival also included health and vision checks, live entertainment, and good food.